My dear students, how are you? I think you are fine. Today we are going to discuss narration depending on imperative sentence. As imperative sentence there are huge things to discuss. That's why I divided into two parts. Today, in part 1, I discuss two rules of imperative sentence. My dear students, you know that there are two parts in direct speech. One is reporting verb and another one is reported speech. And imperative sentence also start with verb or let. Now, my dear students, if the imperative sentence start with verb, then reporting verb is changed into tell, order, command, advise, request, ask according to the sense of the speech. And instead of comma, we have to put to, and from the verb to the end of the sentence. And if the imperative sentence is in negative sense, then we have to put not to instead of comma. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, যদি ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্সটা ভার্ব দিয়ে শুরু হয় এবং সেটা যদি আদেশ বোঝায়, তাহলে আমরা সেটাকে অর্ডার অথবা কমান্ডে রূপান্তর করব। উপদেশ বোঝালে অ্যাডভাইস, আর অনুরোধ বোঝালে রিকোয়েস্ট, এবং যদি এর কোনোটাই না বোঝায় তখন আমরা টেল অথবা আক্সে রূপান্তর করতে পারবো। তাহলে চলো আমরা দেখে নিই একটা এক্সাম্পল দিয়েই। প্রথমে, ইউ সেড টু মি, ব্রিং ইউর বুক টু মি। অ্যান্ড ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ ইজ you told me to bring my book to you. How many sense you have noticed in the indirect speech? You notice that there are four changed in the indirect speech. One is in the reporting verb and another one is instead of comma to, and then in the objective form of, that is you, and another one is me to you. My dear students, let us discuss it in details. That is, we put at the subject of the reporting verb without changing it, you. Then we changed the reporting verb into told as the indirect speech. So as the direct speech, direct speech, bring your book to me, is indicating is indicating something general. That's why we write the first form of tell, that is told. Then we put me, instead of comma we put to, then we put verb bring. Then we changed the object your that means it is a second person, and it will depends on the object of the reporting verb, that is me. Me changed into possessive from my book. Then we put to me changed into you, as the me is indicating the subject of the reporting verb, that is you. এরপরে তাহলে আসো আমরা বাংলায় বলে দিই আর একটু তোমাদের আরও ক্লিয়ার হওয়ার জন্য। পরের এক্সাম্পল আসো, দ্য ক্যাপ্টেন সেড টু দ্য সোলজার্স মার্চ অন। March on indicating the command. That's why the said to reporting verb is changed into command, and we put it the object of the soldier. Then we put it the to instead of comma. Then we put it the verb march, and the next one is on. March on. Then come to the example number 3. Father said to me, don't quarrel with anyone. We put it the subject of the reporting verb father. Then we changed the said to into advice, as the direct species indicating it is an advice, and then object of the reporting verb is put me, that is me, and then we instead of comma we put not to, as the sentence is imperative sentence is indicating negative sense. Not to, then we put the verb of the reported speech, that is quarrel, then the rest one is with anyone. Now come to the example number 4. Here he said to me, please lend him some money. Here the subject is put at he. Then we changed the said to depending on the direct speech. The direct speech is indicating request, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলি অনুরোধ, তাই আমরা এটাকে রিকোয়েস্ট লিখলাম। Then we put the object of the verb, that is me. Then instead of comma we put to. Then the verb is lend. Then we him is means that is a third person, that's why we don't change it. Him some money. He then come to the example number 5. He said to me, kindly grant me strip from the poor pond. My dear student, here notice that the subject is put at he. Then we changed said to into request, as the sentence is indicating request. Then we put me, object of the reporting verb. Then we put instead of comma we put to. Then the verb of the reported speech is grant. Me changed in depending on the subject of the reporting verb, that is he, into him. Then the rest one is stipend from the poor pond. Okay, my dear students, then come to the rules number 2. If the reporting verb start with let us means proposed. Let us বাংলায় বলি বলা হয় লেটাস দ্বারা প্রস্তাব বোঝানো হয়, সেজন্য আমরা এটাকে পরিবর্তে রিপোর্টিং স্পিচে লেটাসের পরিবর্তে রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের পরিবর্তে আমরা প্রপোজড অথবা সাজেস্ট লিখব। তারপরে কমার পরিবর্তে দ্যাট, এবং লেটাসের পরিবর্তে আমরা এখানে উই শুড অথবা দে শুড ব্যবহার করব। তারপর যদি কোনো পার্সোনাল অবজেক্ট থাকে তাহলে সেটাকে আমরা পরিবর্তন করে নিব। চলো তাহলে আমরা কিছু এক্সাম্পলের মাধ্যমে রুলসটা আর একটু ক্লিয়ার করে নিই। হি said to me, let us settle the matter. The let us settle the matter, it is indicating the proposed, that's why we use proposed. He proposed to, the object of the reporting verb is me, proposed to me, then instead of comma we put it that. Then we used we should set, then we use we should, then from the verb to the rest they settle the matter. He said to his colleague, let us call a meeting. Here notice that we put it he, then instead of said to we write down proposed to, as the sentence is reporting imperative sentence is indicating proposed. Then we put it his colleague, the object of the reporting verb. Then instead of comma we put it that. Then we write down they should. Then from the verb to the restaurant call a meeting. Here we notice that sometimes we use we should and sometimes we used they should. When you get the speaker and the listener is the speaker listener combination is first person with any other with the rest other person, then we have to write we. যদি ফার্স্ট পার্সনের সাথে সেকেন্ড পার্সন এবং থার্ড পার্সনের সাথে কম্বিনেশন হয় তখন আমরা উই শুড লিখব, আর যদি থার্ড পার্সনের সাথে থার্ড পার্সনের কম্বিনেশন হয় তখন আমরা দে শুডটাই লিখব। থ্যাংক ইউ মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস। That's all for today's class.